Dear learners, you might have enjoyed this week, enjoyed the learning. In the very first module, we learned what are references, what are the types of references, and what are the basic features, basic traits of right referencing. First is quality, quantity, coverage, and sticking to the uniform guidelines or those writing styles. Referencing give a direct indication of the quality of your article. In the second module, we discussed how we can submit your article. You should be ready with all the files: copyright agreement, cover pages, manuscript files, images, suggested reviewer lists, and author details. Submit them either offline, through email, or through the manuscript handling system, completely online system. Check the author's preview and then submit it. In the post-submission, in the third module, we discuss about the post-submission. Post-submission deals with the aspects when we get the reviewer comments. You have got the reviewer comments. Now you will have to respond each and every comment given by the reviewers with care and in professional way. Respond to comments in consultation with supervisors and your research team members. After you responded to comments, you will get the decision. You have got the acceptance. Then you will be given your galley proof of your article. Carefully observe for any mistake, typos, error, spell error, grammatical error. Once you are done with that, return it back to the editor, and then your article will be published. You must avoid the rejections by focusing on aspects like clarity, reader friendliness, cohesion, coherence, sticking to the uniform guidelines. These things can help you to avoid the rejections. Hope you have learned a lot in this week. The article writing is not limited to these things only. Lot many things are there, but we have covered the utmost essential things. So consult, discuss with your supervisor for much more things relevant to your subject field of research. Happy learning.